Leftover paint from exterior house painting must be handled responsibly to protect water, soil, and community health. Start by identifying the type of paint you have, because disposal rules differ for oil-based and water-based paints. For oil-based paints, treat them as hazardous and use your local household hazardous waste program for drop-off or special collection days. Check municipal websites or call your waste authority for accepted materials and any appointment requirements. Water-based paints that are still usable can be donated to community organizations such as neighborhood centers, schools, theater groups, or paint reuse programs. Store them with tight lids, label them clearly, and include the original color and brand when possible so recipients can match needs. For small amounts of latex or other water-based paint that cannot be donated, you can dry the paint fully by leaving the lid off in a well-ventilated, covered area, or by using absorbent materials like cat litter or commercial paint hardeners following manufacturer instructions. Then dispose the solidified residue with regular household trash only where local regulations allow. Never pour paint down sinks, storm drains, or onto the ground, because solvents and pigments can contaminate groundwater and harm aquatic life. For oil-based products and contaminated rags, follow hazardous waste guidance, since spontaneous combustion is a risk. Keep records or photos of how you disposed of regulated materials if you need to report or show compliance for local ordinances or homeowners association rules. Homeowners often assume all paints can go in regular trash, which can lead to fines or contamination. The fix is to separate oil-based from water-based at the start and confirm local rules. Another common mistake is wrapping partially full cans and leaving them curbside without checking municipal pickup rules. Instead, secure transport to a drop-off site or schedule a hazardous waste collection. People sometimes attempt to dispose of paint by burning or pouring it into yard waste. That creates toxic emissions and soil contamination, so use community hazardous waste programs or solidify small quantities for approved trash disposal. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like exterior painting and disposal planning, offering a place where we list local resources and collection program links to help you follow rules. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, donation opportunities, and contractor recommendations, so both homeowners and contractors can find work and local solutions.